those details with us. Now, the central government has filed a status report in Supreme Court on digital arrest cases. The digital arrest case investigation has been transferred from Delhi Police to CBI. Remember, Supreme Court had taken suo motu cognizance of digital arrest fraud case. Meanwhile, the MHA has formed a high-level committee to deal with digital arrest scams. The panel includes MEITY, DOT, RBI, CBI, NIA, Delhi Police and I4C. The committee to examine legal and technical gaps in digital arrest cases. The center also seeks a 1 month's time to submit final report to Supreme Court. So now digital arrest case probe has been transferred to the CBI from the Delhi Police. Now, what exactly is a digital arrest? It refers to a type of online scam where fraudsters impersonate law enforcement officials such as those from let's say the CBI or the police, as well as enforcement directorate, and falsely accuse victims of involvement in criminal activities to extort money. Sambhav Sharma, my colleague, joins us for more on this. Sambhav, we're learning that the MHA has formed a committee also to take. We're learning that as part of the digital arrest case, it has now been transferred to the CBI from the Delhi Police. So, what more details can you share with us?
Well, absolutely. Here in the digital arrest case, where the Supreme Court has taken the suo motu cognizance of fraud related to the digital arrest, the center has filed a status report in the Supreme Court on this, stating that the trove of the digital arrest case investigation from the Delhi Police to the Central Bureau of Investigation, the CBI, and the Ministry of Home Affairs has formed a level committee.
All right. My colleague Rumi Mishra now joins us to walk us through a little more of what this story exactly is.
Yes, Medha, on my screen I have the Supreme Court of India criminal original jurisdiction and the suo motu writ petition, which is number 3 of 2025 in the matter of victims of digital arrest related to forged documents. I'll walk us through this document in the full. The Supreme Court of India has now stated the particulars of this report. It has the status report on behalf of the Ministry of Home Affairs, the Union of India, pursuant to this Honorable Court's directions dated 1st December 2025 and 16th December 2025. It is submitted that the present status report is being filed on behalf of the Union of India to present compliance with directions issued by this Honorable Court, White Orders dated 1st of December and 16th of December 2025. It is submitted that order dated 16th December 2025 passed by this Honorable Court had directed the Delhi Police to transfer the case registered under FIR number 59 by 2025 to the CBI. Accordingly, the case has been transferred to the CBI by FIR number RC 233-2026E0001 dated 9th of January 2026. A true copy of the FIR number has also been attached here. It is further submitted that this Honorable Supreme Court order dated 16th of December had directed that all the interdepartmental ministerial consultations under the guidance of the learned Attorney General should take an appropriate decision at their end and appraise the Supreme Court. And the court further directed that the recommendations made by the amicus curiae should also be considered by the concerned quarters alongside the directions already issued by the Supreme Court in its order dated 1st of December 2025. I'll also try to walk us through what all the document has. In pursuance to the meeting of the IDC, the DOT and RBI have submitted detailed inputs which required further deliberations by the committee in the next meeting. Further, the input from other members of the committee is yet to be submitted to the committee. In continuation of the above deliberations and in compliance with the directions of the Honorable Supreme Court, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, which is the MEITY, further convened a meeting with IT intermediaries on 6th of January 2026. In this meeting, the amicus curiae, along with the representatives of 14C MHA, Department of Telecom, Google, WhatsApp, Telegram, and Microsoft, have participated in the said meeting. Furthermore, we also have the first information report, which has been named here. The FIR number here again, I'll read it out for our viewers: RC2332026E0001. It was registered under the cybercrime branch EO4 police station, dated to 9th of January 2026. The acts and the sections given here are the Section 308 of the BNS, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita of 2023, Section 318, Section 319, and Section 340. The suspected offences are digital arrest, and of course the nationality of the people is Indian. The name of the complainants and the informants are Mrs. Nalini Mishra, who is the daughter of Sudhakar Mishra. The address is also mentioned here, but I would not, of course, like to reveal that on air. The office memorandum given by by the MHA here also states that the constitution of committee to examine all facets of issues of digital arrests on the order of the Honorable Supreme Court in suo motu writ petition, criminal writ petition, is numbered 320 by 2025. In pursuance of the order, in relation to suo motu writ petition, victims of digital arrest related to forged documents pending before the Honorable Supreme Court, and learned Attorney General for India has advised for the constitution of a committee under the aegis of MHA to comprehensively examine all facets of the issue of digital arrest. Accordingly, competent authority had constituted a committee with the composition as mentioned below, which is the MHA, the MEITY, the DOT, the MEA, the DFS, the Law and Justice Ministry, the Consumer Affairs, RBI, CBI, NIA, including Delhi Police, and any other member or expert as required may also be invited by the chairperson. Over to you, Medha.
All right, Rumi, thank you so much for sharing all those details with us. I am being joined by Advocate Vineet Jindal, who's a Supreme